Jai Shri Gurudev. We can continue the class 12th continuity. Find all the points of discontinuity of f, where f of x is equal to sin x by x if x less than 0, x plus 1 if x greater than or equal to 0. Makla. Find all the points of discontinuity ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವನೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. We can check the continuity at x is equal to 0. We can prove it. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 f of x. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 minus ಅಂದರೆ x value is 0 minus means the value of x is less than 0. The value of x is less than 0. The functional value can take it as sin x by x. In that reason, limit x tends to 0 minus f of x can take it as sin x by x equals limit x tends to 0 plus the value of x is more than 0, the value of x is more than 0, the functional value can take it as x plus 1. This is equal to limit x tends to 0, x value equal to 0, the functional value can take it as x plus 1. Instead of x tends to 0 minus is h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, sin x function can change as x is replaced by 0 minus h divided by 0 minus h equals limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h plus 1 equals limit x tends to 0, x plus 1 makla. ಇವಾಗ ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ h ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 0 ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್, h ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ x is replaced by 0 in the given equations. This can be written as sin, we can write it as limit h tends to 0, sin 0 minus h is minus h divided by h equals limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h plus 1 equals limit x tends to 0, x plus 1 ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಯಾಕೆ h ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಹಾಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ h is equal to 0, 0 minus 0 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin 0 0, 0 by 0 undefined. Once again this is not a defined value, this becomes an undefined value. In that reason we cannot apply the limiting value, but we can go to one of the standard formula, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. We can prove it last year makla. Last year limit x tends to 0, sin x by x na prove madidini. The value of this is equal to 1. Once again sin minus theta is equal to minus theta. We can using these two formulas we can evaluate. What about sin minus theta? Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. In that reason minus sin h divided by minus h equals, putting h is equal to 0, h ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals 0 plus 1. If you replace x by 0, minus minus get cancel, we can using the formula limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h is equal to 1. Therefore this is equal to 0 plus 0 0 plus 1 is 1 equals 0 plus 1 is 1. No doubt LHL is equal to RHL equals particular point. We can prove it. F of discontinuity ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. First we can take limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 f of x. Limit x tends to 0 minus the value of x is less than 0, the functional value can take it as sin x by x. X tends to 0 plus the value of x is more than 0, the functional value can take it as x plus 1. Limit x tends to 0 exactly equal to 0, the functional value can take it as x plus 1. If we replace x tends to 0 minus ಏನಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಅದನ್ನು h tends to 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x is replaced by 0 minus h, same way x is replaced by 0 minus h, 0 plus h plus 1, x tends to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ h ಟೆಂಡಸ್ ಟು 0 ಯಾಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸೈನ್ 0 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಗೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 0/0 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲೇ ಓದಿದಿರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ 0/0 is undefined. In that reason we cannot apply the limiting value. We can using the formula, this can convert it to defined value. Limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h plus 1, limit x tends to 0, x plus 1. We can using the formula sin minus theta. What about sin minus theta? Minus sin theta. Sin minus h na ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು minus sin h divided by minus h. Minus minus get cancel. Limit h tends to 0, sin h by h can be written as using that formula 1. This also becomes 1. This also becomes 1. No doubt. Find the point of discontinuity ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. There is no points of discontinuity. The function have no discontinuous point. Determine if f is defined by ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. f ನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ f of x is equal to x square into sin 1 by x if x not equal to 0, 0 if x is equal to 0. Is continuous function. Is continuous function anta we can check it as. The function is continuous. We can using the sufficient condition we can prove it. Which point we can check it as continuous? At x is equal to 0. Indicated point is x is equal to 0. We can check it as limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 f of x. We can take LHL, RHL, particular point. Limit x tends to 0 minus the value of x is less than 0. The value of x is less than 0. The functional value can take it as x square into sin 1 by x because x not equal to 0 means the value of x is more than 0 or the value of x is less than 0. X value 0 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. Not equal to 0 means more than 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ less than 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. In that reason x tends to 0 minus the functional value can take it as x square into sin 1 by x equals limit x tends to 0 plus same way makla illu ashte the functional value can take it as x not equal to 0 means the value of x is more than 0. In that reason the functional value can take it as x square into sin 1 by x equals limit x tends to 0. The value of x is exactly equal to 0. The functional value can take it as 0. Limit h tends to 0 minus is replaced by limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. The functional value ಏನಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ if you replace x by x minus h whole square, if you replace x by x minus 0 minus h, 0 minus h whole square sin 1 divided by 0 minus h equals limit x h tends to 0, 0 plus h whole square sin 1 divided by 0 plus h equals limit x tends to 0, 0. If you replace x tends to 0 minus ಏನಿತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ h tends to 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. If the function containing x if replaced by 0 minus h, limit h tends to 0, 0 minus h is minus h ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus h whole square is plus h square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sin 1 divided by 0 minus h is minus h equals limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h whole square is 0 plus h is h, h square is h square sin 0 plus h is h 1 by h equals limit x tends to 0, 0 can be limiting value of limit x tends to 0, 0 is 0 makla. Limit h tends to 0, h square sin minus theta already last problem. What about sin minus theta? Minus sin theta. In that reason this can be taken as minus in the initial stage minus h square sin 1 by h equals limit h tends to 0, h square times sin 1 by h equals 0. Sin 1 by h, no doubt makla, the value of sin x ಏನಿದೆ, the domain of this is -1 less than or equal to, ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, the value of sin x is always lies between -1 and +1. ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು -1ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, +1ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ -1 and +1. In that reason, sin 1 by h value is lies between -1 and +1. In that reason, the value of sin 1 by h is also lies between -1 and +1. No doubt, -1 ಮತ್ತು +1 ಮಕ್ಕಳ finite value. -1 ಮತ್ತು +1 is not an infinite value. This becomes an finite value. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ if you replace h by 0, 0 square is 0. 0 into finite value. Makla, we can carefully observe that. Which reason we can finite value? Any trigonometry sign function is always lies between -1 and +1. In that reason, we can take sin 1 by h value is also lies between -1 and +1. -1 and +1 is a finite value. In that reason, the value of the limiting value of this can be taken as finite value. Same way, this also becomes h square. If you replace h by 0, this becomes 0 into, this also becomes a finite value. This is equal to 0. 0 into finite value ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we getting 0 equals, this also becomes 0. No doubt, this also becomes 0. No doubt, the function is continuous at x is equal to 0 makla, because LHL, limiting of x tends to 0 minus, limiting of x tends to 0 plus and particular point, all these are equal. Therefore, f is continuous. Question number 25th. Examine the continuity of the function f where f is defined. We can check it as same question makla. The asking becomes different but the method is same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ asking different type ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, but problem solving method becomes same. The question is in this way: examine the continuity of f where f is defined by f of x equals sin x minus cos x. The functional value can take it as f of x sin x minus cos x if x not equal to 0, minus 1 if x is equal to 0. Solution. First, limit x tends to 0 minus, the indicated, all the three problems the indicated point becomes 0. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 f of x. Same makla ee problem allo ashte we can check it as limit x tends to 0 minus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equals limit x tends to 0 f of x. Any one of this becomes failed or does not exist, this is discontinuous. Limit x tends to 0 minus, last problem alle we can discuss. Limit x tends to 0 minus means the functional value x value is less than 0, x not equal to 0 means the function x is more than 0 or less than 0. The functional value can take it as sin x minus cos x equals limit x tends to 0 plus, same way functional value can take it as sin x minus cos x. Therefore, this is equal to limit x tends to 0, exactly 0, the functional value can take it as minus 1. Limit x tends to 0 minus is replaced by limit h tends to 0. If we replace functional value x by 0 minus h minus cos 0 minus h equals limit h tends to 0, 0 minus 0 plus h minus cos 0 plus h equals limit x tends to 0 minus 1. ಈಗ if you replace h by 0, if you replace the limiting value is applied in this function, the value of this becomes sin 0 minus 0 minus cos 0 minus 0 equals sin 0 plus 0 minus cos 0 plus 0 equals limit x tends to 0, the functional value of limit x tends to 0 minus 1 can take it as minus 1. Sin 0 minus 0 is 0. What about sin 0 makla? Sin 0 0 minus cos 0 minus 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, already minus is there, minus 1. Sin once again 0 plus 0 0, sin 0 is 0 minus cos 0 plus 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, therefore this is equal to minus 1, minus 1 is equal to minus 1, this is equal to minus 1. Once again LHL is equal to RHL, RHL is equal to particular point, all these are same, therefore F is continuous. We can discuss the continuity on algebra. Last class we can discuss find the value of k, we can check the continuity of the given function. Last class we can find out unknown value of k, the function is continuous at indicated point na kalto. Next we can check the continuity at that particular point and examine the continuity at that particular point. But today I am discuss the continuity on algebra. Already we can study algebra. What are the algebraic expressions? In generally there are 4 types of algebraic expressions: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. How many types of algebraic expressions will be studied? Already high school indallu we can study, high school and basic indallu we can study all these basic operations. These are called, these 4 types of operations are called algebraic operations anta karitivi makla. We can study algebra of continuous function. ಆ ನೇಮೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ algebra of continuous function ಅಂದ್ರೆ sum of 2 continuous function, next subtraction of 2 continuous function, multiplication of 2 continuous function, division of 2 continuous functions. Let F and G are 2 continuous functions. F and G are 2 continuous functions. Then the following, first one, F plus G is continuous, F plus G is continuous at x is equal to c. We can study the continuity of the addition of the function at indicated point c. Second one, F minus G is continuous at indicated point c. Third one, F into G is continuous at C. Fourth one, F divided by G is continuous at C provided G of C not equal to 0 makla. Let F and G, F another function makla, G another function andre gottide. This we can define every element have unique image is called as function. F and G are 2 functions. F and G are 2 functions, continuous, 2 continuous functions. Then the following are satisfied. F plus G is continuous at C. The sum of 2, these 2 are continuous function. The sum of the 2 continuous function is once again continuous at indicated point. F ಮತ್ತು G ಅನ್ನೋ 2 functions ಮಕ್ಕಳ continuous ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ at ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ, ಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Once again, f minus g, the subtraction of two continuous function is also continuous. F and g are continuous. The subtraction of two function is also continuous. F and g are continuous. F ಮತ್ತು g are continuous. The product of two continuous function is once again continuous at that particular point C. F by g, f is continuous, g is continuous. Once again, the division of the continuous function is continuous at that particular point. f ಮತ್ತು g ಆ particular indicated point c ಅಲ್ಲಿ continuous ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ the division is also continuous at that particular point, but we can provide g of c is not equal to 0. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ g of c ನಾನು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನು 0 ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎನಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎನಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 0 ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಆಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದರ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್. ಆ ಡೊಮೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡೊಮೈನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, y is equal to cos a sin x. No doubt in graphical we can study. In that reason, therefore y is equal to sin x. From graph, without lifting the pen, we can easily graph in blackboard. In that reason, the function is continuous for complete real line. Sin x is a continuous function for all real line. Same way cos x. No doubt makla, illu ashte, without lifting the chalk piece we can draw the graph in a blackboard. In that reason, cos x is also becomes a continuous. Cos x is also becomes a continuous for whole real line. Cos x is a continuous for whole real line. Similarly, we can tan x. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ನಾನು ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್. ಈ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್? pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Therefore, the graph of the trigonometric function tan x is continuous. The trigonometric function tan x is continuous. We can restrict the domain r minus 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. Put n is equal to 0. n belongs to z. Means integers. Put n is equal to 0, the value of this becomes pi by 2. n is equal to 1, the value of this becomes 3 pi by 2. Yes, in this restricted domain, no doubt the function is continuous makla. Same way, nodi, sin x is continuous for whole real line, cos x is continuous for whole real line, but tan x is not continuous for whole real line, but if you restrict the domain, the function is continuous. So similarly we can study cot x, cosecant x and secant x. Similarly we can study cos x, cot x, cosecant x ಮತ್ತೆ secant x. ಈಗ we can example of, ಈಗ already we can know that f of x can be taken as sin x, g of x can be taken as cos x, f of x can take it as sin x, g of x can take it as cos x. We can know that, already we can observe that sin x is a continuous for whole real line, cos x is a continuous for whole real line. We can talk about f of x plus g of x equals sin x plus cos x. Observe ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. F is continuous, we can go to the theorem. F is continuous, whole real line. G is continuous, whole real line. What about sin x plus cos x? No doubt. G of x plus G of x plus h of x can be called as f of x plus g of x can be called as h of x. No doubt the function h of x is continuous for whole real line. H of x is continuous at R. Similarly, we can talk about f of x is equal to sin x, g of x is equal to cos x, h of x can be taken as f of x minus g of x. Therefore, this is equal to sin x minus cos x. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Already you can observe the graph. Sin x is continuous for whole real line, cos x is continuous for whole real line. We can go to the theorem. F and g are continuous. We can easily say that f minus g is continuous at C. We can write it as ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. f of x is equal to sin x is continuous for whole real line. G of x is equal to cos x is continuous for whole real line. H of x can be taken as f of x minus g of x. This is equal to sin x minus cos x. The subtraction of two continuous function. Subtraction of two continuous function is continuous. So, h of x is continuous. H of x is continuous at whole real line. Similarly, we can go to the product makla. Product. F of x is equal to sin x, g of x is equal to cos x, h of x is equal to what makla? F of x into g of x. Therefore, this is equal to f of x into cos x. No doubt, f of x is continuous. We can observe the graph. F is continuous. F of x is equal to sin x is continuous for whole real line. G of x is equal to cos x. We can observe the graph. This also continuous for whole real line. We can easily say that h of x is equal to f of x into g of x. This is equal to sin x into cos x. But h of x is also continuous. Observe ಮಾಡಿ theorem na. F is continuous, g is continuous. Product of two continuous function is continuous. Hence, h of x is continuous at R. Similarly, we can observe that makla. Fourth one, f of x is equal to sin x, g of x is equal to cos x. Carefully observe ಮಾಡಿ makla. F of x is equal to sin x, g of x is equal to cos x. H of x can be written as sin x divided by cos x. H of x can be written as sin x divided by cos x. Sin x is a continuous function for whole real line. Cos x is a continuous for whole real line. Sin x so continuous for whole real line. Cos x so continuous for whole real line. But the division of this continuous function, sin x is continuous whole real line. Cos x is also continuous for whole real line. But the division of these two continuous function is continuous for all real line. This is not possible makla. Yakandre we can go to the condition nodi. F and g are continuous at the particular point C. F by g is continuous at C. Provided one condition ide makla, carefully do it. Alli tara continuous age a particular point al continuous agala. One condition illi extra biltide. The denominator can be provided to 0. Means ಏನರ್ಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ g of x equals cos x, this is not equal to 0 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, f of x equals sin x, g of x equals cos x, h of x is equal to sin x by cos x. We can provide cos x is not equal to 0, means x is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to z. ನೋಡಿ, sin x is continuous for whole real line, cos x is continuous for whole real line, but we can go to the definition. Cos x cannot be equal to 0 means for what value of x cos x is not equal to 0? 2n plus 1 times pi by 2 means h of x is equal to sin x by cos x is tan x. ನೀವು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲೂ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಾನು ಗ್ರಾಫು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನನಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? 2n plus 1 times pi by 2. ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Therefore h of x is continuous for all real number ಅಲ್ಲ, continuous at r bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ provided cos x not equal to 0.